What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joni Boy, and just to give you a little update, I decided to move my whole setup that I have in the living room, and I went and I put it here in this little area that I wasn't using at all. It's basically a place that I was putting things I wasn't using, and why not to use it for something better. And yes, I'm excited. This is a place that I can shoot my videos and I can control sound. But yes, this is a better place. As soon as I paint the place, I got super sick. I got the flu, I got the fever, and I couldn't do much, but getting better. And guys, I'm thinking of changing that computer case for the H500i that I did the review. And why not to change it? I went for the black and blue with white, and yes, I believe it will fit better with the whole thing. But yes, I also need to get the bracket. These will evolve for an epic setup, and I'm happy for this change. And it is funny because I live here for quite some time, but I never thought to actually use this area for my computer setup and basically my studio. And I'm excited, guys. But yes, this is all that happened the last 2 weeks and a half. And yes, peace, guys.